Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change or adjust the hue and saturation for objects and items and elements in CorelDRAW. So let's dive into this. Navigate to your document or your drawing, left click into the object. It may be an image, a shape, a line, and so on and so forth. Then navigate to effects here, right? From there hover mouse over adjust and choose the hue, saturation and lightness. There's also the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-U. Then, let me just move that window here so that we may see the effect here to the left. You may use these sliders here for the hue and saturation, right? You can also compare the before and the after color palette here, or use these up and down buttons here, right? Do the same for the saturation. So if I move the saturation to the left, it will become basically, the colors will become, colorless, I'd say. And you can do the same and move the slider to the right to increase the intensity of these colors, the saturation. To reset them, click into reset here, confirm by clicking into OK, and that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we catch you later.